Hey guys, Dr. Grady with Restoration Chiropractic here at 13th and Tyler in Wichita, Kansas. Today's topic is text neck or tech neck. It's becoming very common with all the technology that we have at our fingertips nowadays. They estimate that the average adult spends over 4 hours a day on their phone, and some studies even show that kids are spending as much as 8 hours a day looking down at some sort of technology. And this is important because it stresses our cervical spine. So we should have a nice, healthy C-shaped curve in our necks, but with all the looking down that we're doing at our phones and other pieces of technology, we're stressing all the muscles, the ligaments, the joints, and most importantly, the nervous system. And all that looking down is actually leading to structural changes on x-ray. So right here, this is kind of what we want to see when we look at the neck from the side. We want that nice, healthy curve with the C opening towards the back. And then this is somebody that has spent way too much time looking down at their phone, and you could see they even have a reverse neck curve. Again, this is stressing the nervous system, and that could lead to things like headaches, migraines, fatigue, neck pain. That's just a few of the symptoms that can arise from this. So what can we do? Well, we could try to bring our phones up to eye level instead of bringing our heads down to our phone. Come in, get adjusted. Let's rebuild this curve so that it doesn't degenerate and cause a bigger problem down the road. Hope you guys have a good rest of your week.